In the world of finance, clarity is power. At Davies Wealth Management, we believe that a comprehensive financial planning checklist is your roadmap to achieving financial success. Begin by assessing your current financial standing. Calculate your net worth by listing your assets and liabilities. This snapshot of your financial health is crucial for informed decision-making. Dive into your income and expenses to uncover hidden spending patterns. Analyze your debts and credit score to understand your borrowing costs. Evaluate your savings and investments to ensure they align with your future aspirations. Next, define your financial goals with precision. Prioritize them based on urgency and importance, and set realistic timelines. Make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Regularly review and adjust them to stay on track. Finally, turn your plan into action. Build a robust budget, fortify your financial foundation, and protect your future with insurance and tax-efficient strategies. Seek professional guidance to navigate the complexities of financial planning. At Davies Wealth Management, we're here to help you achieve your financial dreams.